Hello. For this example, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate container fills with pallets, and each pallet has boxes, and inside the boxes we have primary packages. The purpose of this example is to find out how much does it cost to ship each one of the packages inside the container. For this, we will run Quick Pallet Maker, and we will look at the containers that we have. That they are located in the window that is called Standard Cases and Pallets. We see here there's a tab that's called Containers, and by default you should have a 20-foot container, a 40-foot high cube 40, bicargo 45, and bicargo 53 trailer. For these containers, you will have by default the dimensions in meters. You can check to see if they're the same as the containers that you use in your warehouse. And please note also that these are internal dimensions, they're not external dimensions, which is the internal dimension is the one that you can use for fitting products, and the external dimensions will be standard anyway because those are the ones that are going to latch onto trucks and to ships. Okay, so now we will create a pallet. We will use the default dimensions. Start from primary package, and we make sure that the dimensions and units are in millimeters, in inches. So we select, right click, use inches and pounds, and we could also do that from the tools menu for Windows or from the preferences menu for Mac. Okay, now we just use the default dimensions. We will use a 48 by 40 pallet, and we calculate the packages. We will obtain a list of pallets here with a number of boxes and a number of primary packages. We want to know which one is the best in the sense that it will ship more primary packages, and we just use the tools menu and sort function. We want to sort by primary packages per pallet, descending, and we get the best one at the top. Now we select tools, fill container to see how many will fit in a container. Okay, we use the dry foot 40 container, and we assign a shipping cost of 2,600. This can be from port A to port B, doesn't matter. It's just 2,600 to move this container. So we calculate the fill, and we see that they do not fit in 2 stacks, just 1 stack, and the cost per item is $0.19, 19 cents per package, not even per box, but per package, and $1.16 per box. So we can go back and you can check, use another type of container. Let's say the dry cargo 45 costs 2,800. Now we can compare the price. Right? In this case, you have the same number of pallets, it's more expensive, and this is 0.17. No, sorry, we have more pallets. And 0.17 is slightly lower, but we still have a lot of space on top. So we can go, and here we see that the height of the container is 102 inches, the internal height, and the other height is 105. Sorry, 194 for the dry cargo 40. So we can select the lower pallet. The pallet is shorter, and see if this one will fit. Okay. This one has 59 inches. You can see if it's lower and see if it just has slightly less packages, and we can test it. So container, by cargo 40, 2,600. And we can calculate again. It won't fit 2 stacks. You get only 20 pallets. And we can check the price. We can go back and forth and do this. Let's try it with a lower height. Change the data. And now, instead of 70 inches, we're going to use, so you have the container height is 94 inches divided by 2, that's 47. Okay, 47. So 47, let's put one that is 47. Calculate again. Now we Sort them. We get the best one here, and we fill the container again. And let's see how it looks with a 40-foot container, and we say it's $2,600. How many pallets do we get? Now we get 40 pallets, and the cost is lower. It's 15 cents. Okay, we can go back and forth. We can do this several times, and we can play with this in a way to optimize our loads. We can make a single stack if we want, and see how many pallets will fit. And the final price per item, final cost per item of shipping it inside a container. Thank you.